right, guys, we are at Ruby Jeans here in Kansas City, Missouri. This guy's freaking killing it on the saxophone right now. And just like that, as I always say, it's a lot better when things go smoothly than when they go really rough. So I did tell them they'd save a lot more money if I just rekeyed the cylinder, and it looks like the cylinder is just fine. Go ahead and get some rekeying done, and I'll take some videos when I rekey the cylinder as well. I mean, look at this. It's freaking awesome. It's killing it, man. Killing it. Gotta twist it in the right spot. Good to go. Smooth pull through. It's no problem for the good old locksmith over here. The good old affordable locksmith in Kansas City. Look at that. It was 205. Let's go. Alright. Just to kind of make sure everything is super flush. My stuff here, so. And that's a really good sign, guys. Here we go, look at that. Yeah, their cylinder was fine. I just guess it was their keys.